Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this compact camping chair that this brand sent to me for this video. Believe it or not, inside here there is a camping chair that is foldable, that is super easy to take with you on the go if you're going to go to the beach or camping or hiking or whatever you want. But then it's just tiny but mighty. Supports 264 pounds. Let me show it to you. So you're going to have three sections in the actual bag. So you're going to have the legs, that these are optional, but we're going to try to put them. You're going to have the frame and you're going to have the cover. So we're going to put the cover and the legs right there. And then I'm going to show you how easy this one is. By the way, I did not try this one so far. This is going to be the first time. So we're going to do it just in live television and see how really easy they claim that this one is. So we do this, we kind of like take out this velcros right here, nice and easy. And then like every other chair that I try, kind of like similar to this one, you kind of like do the legs first. By the way, I'm going to show you what you can do with the velcro in just 1 second. So you finish that. This is kind of like going to be the frame. That's going to be the back support is going to be this one right here. So you do this and then do this, and that's going to be your back support. And then this one, ooh, that's so awesome. Oh, this is the first time that I see this. Check this out. It comes with kind of like an hydraulic kind of like pressure right here that it clicks, so it actually takes in place and stays in place. With the velcro, what you can do if you want, you kind of like route it right here and put it right here on the back or kind of like on the frame, so it's not bothering you too much. But then it's actually build the cover section. Okay, then based on my own experience, by the way, you can see that I added the leg support, which I think it is really cool because it manages if it is like an uneven terrain. So that is awesome. Based on my own experience, we're going to put this one first, and then we're going to put this one other right here, just like this. Once we're done. Okay, we're done that way with the back support. Again, based on my own experience, the one that takes the most effort is always the last one, which is gonna come next right here. So let's do the last one. And this one should have, yeah, this one right here. So we're gonna try this one. Come on, we can do it. Almost there. That's it. Perfect. That was not bad at all, actually. That was pretty simple. Okay, and then I can already see a few things that I really like. So number one, the 274 pounds. That is fantastic. Just having something this tiny, this compact, this portable, and just being able to withhold 264 pounds, that is really cool. Another thing, it comes with pockets. So not all of this one comes with pocket. You have a pocket for like a water bottle here, and another one that can be for your phone or your devices or a small book as well. Also, it comes with mesh on the bottom, meaning that if you are coming out of the like on the beach or something like that, or like a pool or something, you can drip that this one is not gonna get the chair super wet, but instead it's gonna drip on the bottom. And then the frame, well, yeah, it's pretty firm frame. It's actually kind of like more firm than I expected. It's not moving too much just because of those kind of like silicone leg support, but because it adapts to the kind of like uneven terrain. So that is really good. And then comfy. Yeah, it's pretty comfy. I like it. It's tall as well. I'm 5'10", by the way, and I weigh 180 pounds. And just having the comfort of this portable and compact chair at your own disposal whenever you're camping or to the beach or just like chilling in your house, in your patio or something like that. I love it. I like it. I do totally recommend it.